Hi, I'm Mandy, the DIY editor for Today's Parent. Easter is one of my favorite holidays because it involves a lot of crafting and decorating. But doing this with kids can be super messy, and those dye kits you buy at the store, they don't even work that well. Today I'm going to show you 6 awesome dye-free, kid-friendly, and mostly mess-free Easter eggs.
This is easy-ish.
Just do the blooper one.
My obsession with washi tape runs deep. I have rolls of it all over my house. You can use it on the eggs in so many different ways. It's the ultimate no-mess solution.
This is literally the easiest, quickest, and most impactful method. Grab some rolls of washi tape and start experimenting. I found these thin rolls are the easiest to wrap around eggs. Pro tip, fake washi tape does not work that well. It doesn't stretch and it tends to peel off. And did you know that real washi tape is biodegradable? If you aren't saving your Easter eggs, they can go right into the organics bin, tape and all. I think that's pretty cool. You can cut the tape into little strips for this confetti look, or go for the metallic crackle effect. So much fun. There's a link below to all my favorite washi tapes.
As a kid, I spent many weekends with my grandmother decoupaging everything from vases to wooden ducks. I know, coolest kid in the class. I'm so glad I did because it works really well for eggs. This technique gets a little sticky, but at least with glue, you don't have to worry about the stains.
Grab your egg. You'll need glue and a brush. I prefer the finish of Mod Podge Craft Sealer, but white school glue works too. Find something you want to seal on the egg. I think craft feathers look really pretty. Add a coat of glue to the surface of the egg. Place on your feather and cover the whole thing with another coat of glue. Now we wait for it to dry. Don't worry, the glue will dry clear. You can do the same method with bits of fabric or tissue paper or anything you can find really. Oh, check out this egg. It's made of wood. No cracks here.
Since we aren't using dye and you still want to get color on those eggs, markers are the answer. And you can create some really fun designs. Just keep kids in a marker-safe zone.
Grab some markers. I know, permanent markers, right? Little crafters can use washable markers, but you won't be able to get those eggs wet or the marker will run, and it might smudge in the process. I'm just freehanding a squiggly line. What makes it work is the repetition. The best part? You can do any design, like simple doodles, or try your hand at traditional Pisanki style. I would love to see that done with markers. It's kind of like meditating. For kids too. The designs are endless. Here's a marker sticker combo. Fried egg on an egg. That's super meta. This one was done over a letter sticker, and then just peel it away to reveal the design.
There are so many cool tie-dye effects you can do with eggs, but I wanted to come up with a way to achieve the same results with way less mess. So I came up with a pretty cool tinfoil hack that keeps the mess under wraps.
For each egg, tear off a piece of tinfoil, just enough to wrap around the egg. Place a coffee filter or 2 on top. Place an egg on top. Add drops of food coloring to the coffee filter, any colors you want. And then wrap it up. Give it a good rub to spread the food coloring around. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. Unwrap and check out the cool tie-dye effect. Far out, man. You can let it dry right in the foil, or place it on a drying rack. I show you how to DIY this drying rack in a video called 7 Easter Egg Hacks to Try, and you can find that in our Easter Egg Craft playlist. Look at all the cool combinations you can make. The 70s are back.
I've never met a kid who didn't like stickers. Usually they just peel them off and stick them all over the walls and floors. Let's channel that energy into eggs. It might keep them distracted while you decorate the more complicated ones.
Just grab some stickers. Those office dot stickers are a perfect size. Place them on in a random pattern. This is the perfect activity for little kids. You really can't mess it up. If you're using a blown out egg, P.S. we have a video for that too, cover the holes with the stickers. If you find your stickers aren't sticking, seal the egg with a thin coat of glue. That will do the trick. I made this one with a temporary tattoo. It wraps around that curvy egg really well. I found these pearl stickers at the dollar store. So fancy.
I know what you're thinking. Painting is messy, but I have this puff paint left over from another craft. And I really like how it comes in these squeeze tubes, which equals less mess, no brushes needed.
I decided this method would be great for those styrofoam eggs. You can skewer the egg, giving you a handle to work with. I pop my skewered egg into a tall container, a crafty pom-pom container, of course. Grab your puff paint and start working your design. I found a dot pattern is the way to go with this stuff. You can draw doodles and lines, but I've never gotten it to look very nice, so I'm sticking with dots. See how the skewer and the container give you better leverage and gives your hand a break? And once you're finished, just leave it right there to dry. That was easy-ish. It looks great on pre-colored eggs too, but I'm telling you, stick with the dot design.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel because we have tons of Easter egg videos with other cool hacks and creative decorating ideas. I mean, there's a playlist down there somewhere. Just look how many eggs I went through. Happy decorating! But I wanted to come up with a way to achieve the same results with less mess. Sure. Hi! Woo! Can juggle too, maybe? No, I can't.